Staying in Alamance County now, where two men are no doubt counting their blessings this evening after having to act really quickly last night. You see, the storm yesterday evening filled the basement they were working in with water. They ended up breaking out a window, which got them out of harm's way. It happened at a business along Alamance Road in Burlington.
And Fox 8's Ho Jung Roo caught up with one of the men about their big escape. So Ho Jung, what can you tell us?
Yeah, well, he was actually in good spirits, and he tells me that this is where it all happened, here in the basement of the Wells Fargo Advisors building. While he did not want to wish to be on camera, he told me how they managed to get out. This is the moment two workers knew they were in trouble. They took this video from inside the basement of the Wells Fargo Advisors building along Alamance Road in Burlington. You can see the water outside is about knee high and making its way right into the building.
Our van, it got, the water was getting into the engine. So that's when we were getting more worried because we didn't want it to get damaged.
And the door to get out just wouldn't open, so they had to act fast.
Our families kept calling and they kept telling us to break it, get out. It's not worth it, it's not worth our lives. So we were just like, okay, we just broke it and got out.
They decided to break the window with metal poles and clean the shards with tools to get out safely. A woman who is familiar with this building says they know flooding in the basement is a problem.
The water comes up from the creek and then it can't drain fast enough. But this is the first time we've had somebody stuck in the building, and it was kind of scary.
Yeah. The two workers were able to escape before first responders arrived, and the fire department says it was a busy night. This was one of 9 weather-related calls they received in less than 2 hours Tuesday night. Schaffner says it should serve as a reminder to people to be weather aware.
6 inches of moving water can knock you off your feet. Then that's a drowning hazard. In addition to that, 1 foot of water is enough to sweep an average car away. So we don't want people getting swept away and caught in their cars either.
And the Burlington Fire Department advises people to make sure to know where all the exits are so you know of your options when you are in a case of emergency. And if you do find yourself trapped like these two co-workers, call 911. In Burlington, Ho Jung Roo, Fox 8 News.